Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Charters at Equities. Today I came with Adani Wilmar. Okay, let's go to chart. See, this is the IPO price. IPO price. From here, the stock moved in three moves. Three moves like A, B, C. Here, so it is here in three moves. So it is not. It didn't move in impulsive nature. It moved in a correct manner. Correct manner. Again, it didn't, sorry, it failed to make a new high. So it is, so it considered as three moves only. So again, A, B, C, it made a correction. First one correction. So in wave A, we have only three moves. So we have only three moves. One, two, three. So, so the B should cross 61.8. So it crashed and touched 81.20%. So it is flat. This is a flat correction. This A, B, C, it's a flat correction. Okay. So again X. So by combining A, B, C, you can make W, X, Y. So Y I took here. Is it completed or it is still going? See, we'll go to the daily chart. W A X next X may be anything. Okay. So we cannot count that. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So almost it is completed by double correction. It is double correction only. So as you can see, there is a divergence. See here, made a new MACD low. Price made a new low, but not MACD. So this is a divergence, higher high, but price made a lower low. Okay. So even from here also it may go triple correction also. Triple correction go also. But why we are considering here? Because in this upmove has five moves. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. This is gone. This is went in a impulsive manner. Of course, it might be A. Sorry, this might be A, B, C also. So for now, the stock is almost in intention to go upwards. Okay. So for now, we are trading this way only. A, we are considering here B. So the stock might hit 454, or if it's a first 454. Okay, if price sustains above 454, then we can go for 531. Okay, but if price go to 531 and sustains here, then we have to change this to 1 2 3. No, actually, how will this move come? That is the main important. How the move is coming. If it comes in a gap ups manner, then it is definitely in impulsive manner. But if comes like this, if move will come in a move doesn't come in gap ups. Okay, then we can consider up move also in a correction manner A, B, C. Then we can consider it triple correction, double X and Z. Okay, suppose price moves in impulsive manner, what would be the target? The target would be, or no, the whole move is in whole move up move is going in a correct manner only. So W, X, Y. So if price crosses this level, this X, that means 510. Price crosses 510. Okay, actually for triple correction to made, this double X, whatever double X I am talking about, the double X price should not cross this X. If price crosses this X level, what is that? 510. Okay, then it is done and it moving towards 950. So for now, taking risk is worth, because if the stop loss is 280. For now, the stop loss is 280. If stop loss doesn't hit and if it cross 510, you are going to hit 950. That means from here it is going to triple your investment. So take risk, consult your financial advisor before taking any risks. Okay, because we are sharing here for educational purpose, and this is called elite wave analysis. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Share this analysis if you like it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.